Native Pet sent us this GutWell pouch so you can show you the features and let you know our thoughts. I wanted to go ahead and get this for Marley because she's a 10-month-old puppy, and I wanted to go ahead and get her started on being healthy with her teeth and gums to prevent any like future plaque or tooth decay from happening. So what this does is it targets bacteria in the gut to promote healthy teeth. So it supports fresh breath. It actually supports the oral microbiome, and it promotes healthy teeth and gums in the way of reducing plaque and tartar. So the functional ingredients in this are brown algae and zinc. That's what's going to help reduce the plaque and the tartar. For her weight, she's going to get 2 scoops a day. And here is what the pellets look like. They're like almost like rabbit food. It does come with a scoop. So here's what the scoop looks like. And you would just scoop this on top of her kibble. I have her bowl right here of food, and I scoop it up. I scoop it on the top of her kibble, and then I feed it to her. This is what it looks like on the kibble, so you can barely see it. This is Marley. Get it, Mar. She a lot of the time eats the pellets first, so she can differentiate the pellets from the kibble, and she will eat those first. So I would say that she likes the way they taste, and she's a picky eater, so she does like the way they taste. I haven't noticed any bad breath on her. She is still a puppy, so again, we are trying to be preventative here and monitor her oral hygiene. I do brush her teeth. But if this is an additive that can be a positive benefit, we are all for it. So as you can see, she likes it, and we love Native Pet and would highly recommend.